In this guide, you'll learn how to get YouTube TV free trial. Let's get started. You can watch YouTube TV for free for a limited time by signing up for their trial. Navigate to the website tv.youtube.com. Now click on the option Try 21 days for $0. Then sign in with your Gmail account. The free trial is currently 21 days and you must be a new user to qualify. After entering your zip code to see local channels, you can either try a quick preview or go straight to the full trial. Next, choose your plan. Most people select the base plan, which includes over 160 live channels, unlimited DVR, and the ability to share with family. You can also add promo codes or optional extras like HBO Max, NFL Sunday Ticket, or 4K Plus. At checkout, enter your payment details via credit or debit card, PayPal, or Cash App, but you won't be charged until the trial ends. Once set up, you can record shows, customize your guide, and start watching on your smart TV, making sure to remember the trial and date if you want to cancel. And that's it. This is how you can get YouTube TV free trial. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.